Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM like a pro. Even if you're a complete beginner, NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and note-taking tool by Google. It's designed to help you understand information much faster. Unlike normal AI chatbots, NotebookLM works mainly with the sources you upload. So instead of giving random answers from the internet, it gives responses based on your documents, and honestly that changes everything. Imagine uploading your PDFs, notes, YouTube videos, meeting transcripts and documents into an AI and then having a personal research assistant that actually understands your content, not random internet data, your data. And that's exactly what NotebookLM does. By the end of this video, you'll know how to summarize documents instantly, create study guides, generate podcast style audio overviews, organize research, and use AI to save hours every single week. So let's get started. To get started, open your browser, search for NotebookLM and sign in with your Google account. You can access it directly through the link provided in the description box below. Once you log in, you'll see the option called My Notebooks and Create New. If you click on My Notebooks, you'll see all your previously created notebooks. As you can see, I already have a few notebooks created here. Now let's click on Create New. Let's create our very first notebook. Now let's upload some sources. On the left side, you'll see the sources section, and if you don't see it, just click this option here. Now click on Add Sources. Here you can see different types of sources available: uploaded files, Google Drive, websites, and copied text. You can choose anything depending on your requirement. You can even drag and drop files directly here. So right now I'm adding a PDF file, a document file, YouTube URLs, a website URL, and I'm also doing a web search. Once you perform a web search, NotebookLM shows multiple sources and you can select whichever ones you want. So currently I have around 6 different data sources added, and this is where the magic starts, because now the AI actually understands your information. At the center, you'll see the chat interface. Now you can start chatting with your notebook just like ChatGPT. For example, you can ask, summarize this document. What are the key insights? Explain this in simple terms. Create bullet point notes. What are the action items? Generate a LinkedIn post from this. Compare these two documents. One thing I personally love about NotebookLM is that it gives source references, so you can actually verify where the information came from, and that's super useful if you're doing academic work, client research, business analysis, or content creation. You can also save important responses directly into notes. So here you can see I'm selecting this source and clicking on Save to Note. Now on the right side, we have the Studio section, and honestly guys, this is one of the most powerful features inside NotebookLM. Here you can convert sources into audio, generate slides, create mind maps, flashcards, infographics, quizzes, tables, reports, videos, and much more. So let me show you one example. I'm going to generate an infographic. You simply select the source, click on infographic, and within seconds NotebookLM creates an infographic based on your content. And as you can see here, my infographic is now generated automatically. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about one of the craziest features, the audio overview feature. This feature is honestly mind-blowing. NotebookLM can generate AI podcast style conversations based on your documents. Yes, literally an AI generated podcast. You upload your notes and it turns them into an audio discussion. This is amazing for learning while driving, revising notes, passive learning, and consuming long reports much faster. And honestly, this feature alone makes NotebookLM stand out from almost every AI tool right now. So here, I initially selected a very large data source and it's taking some time to generate. So I'll switch to a smaller data source for faster audio generation. Okay, now you can see the audio has been generated successfully. You can share this audio with your friends, download it, or even share the link directly. Now you can see the audio has been generated successfully. You can share this audio with your friends, download it, or even share the link directly. The next feature, guys, is auto labeling. So whatever data sources you upload, NotebookLM can automatically organize them into categories. As you can see here, my sources have been categorized into artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, database management, and machine learning. So now my notebook looks much cleaner and better organized. And yes, you can also share your notebook with your friends or teammates. Just click on the share icon, enter the email ID, and share the notebook instantly. You can even download and separately share infographics, audio files, and generated content. Now let me give you some PRO tips to use NotebookLM more effectively. Tip number 1, don't upload just one file. Try uploading PDFs, meeting notes, websites, YouTube links, spreadsheets, and related documents together. The more context you provide, the smarter NotebookLM becomes. Tip number 2, ask better questions. For example, a bad prompt would be explain this, but a much better prompt would be explain this for a beginner using simple language and real world examples. Specific prompts give better outputs. Always remember that. Tip number 3, create topic based notebooks. Instead of dumping everything into one notebook, create separate notebooks for work, learning, content, clients, and research. This keeps your AI workspace clean, organized, and much more efficient. Tip number 4, use NotebookLM for content repurposing. You can turn one document into blog posts, tweets, LinkedIn posts, YouTube scripts, newsletters, and much more. And trust me, guys, this saves creators hours of work. So guys, if you work with information in any form, NotebookLM can seriously improve your workflow. It's like having a researcher, an assistant, a summarizer, and a brainstorming partner all in one tool. And the best part, it's incredibly beginner friendly. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I truly hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use NotebookLM more effectively and made things much easier for you. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comment section. I'd genuinely love to hear from you guys. You can also connect with me through my social media platforms. All the links are available in the description box below. And guys, your support honestly means a lot to me. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos on AI tools, productivity, and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring amazing technology. Bye guys, take care.